Okay, so we made it to Panama, and now we need to find a way to walk all the way over Terminal 2 to get our baggage and stuff like that. So let's go. Our probably look kind of biggish, but let's get it. I heard that Terminal 2 is quite far. So listen, I already start using my Spanish because who just asked Terminal dos? What was where? Doko Japanese. Jesus Christ. What was where in Spanish? What's where? Where? Cuando? A when? What's where in Spanish? Donde? Donde? A donde? Mighty Savior. Doko. A where in a Japanese? My Spanish teacher would have been shaming me. And he did done shame me already. Terminal 2 baggage claim downstairs. It's close to the pan photo. And when you come downstairs, you just go straight through to Terminal 2 baggage claim and customs.